Okay. So for differential equations, we need these basic definitions. Monotonic functions, basically those are learned from the MBTs. So here we will learn those directly. Before that, I would like to tell you, when you talk about a function f of x is increasing, a function f of x is decreasing, and obviously for some x belongs to some domain, right? This is for some x belongs to a comma b. If the derivative is greater or equal to 0, and if the derivative of f dash x is less or equal to 0. So basically, to discuss about the increasing decreasing, we need these two apparatus. Again, one thing I would like to tell you, when we will be discussing the differential calculus wala part, it is very easy to visualize from the mean value theorems. But here, as far as this differential equations are concerned, we need those just the direct uses to here. Fair. Let's learn about now local maxima or local minima. Please be on the board and like learn this concept. Suppose that you are talking about some function and your function has the behavior like this, let's say. Okay. Let's say this is the point x equals to a1. This is the point x equals to a2. This is another point that is x equals to a3. Let's say this is another point x equals to a4 and so on. Fair? So when I talk about local maxima or local minima, please observe, if I talk about the point x equals to a, let's try to observe the behavior of the function f of x at x equals to a1. Fair? So if you observe this function, the function is increasing up to a1, and after that function changes its behavior, right? When function is like changing its behavior, can you observe this? F of x is changing its behavior, right? कैसे चेंज कर रहा है? From increasing to decreasing. Can you tell me? And what I told you, if you want to say this as mathematically, so f dash x is greater or equal to 0 in x belongs to a1 minus h to a1. Can I say like this, where h is some small number tending, oh sorry, this is not to 0. So what is talk about? You are concerned about the neighborhood of a1. In the neighborhood of a1, how this function is behaving. So when you observe in the left neighborhood of a1, right, f dash x is greater or equal to 0. Here f dash x is less or equal to 0. किसके लिए बच्चे? In x belongs to a1, say a1 plus h, right? So when your function behaves like this, what does it imply? This imply x equals to a1 is a point of local maxima. Why I use the word local? Because we are discussing in the local neighborhood of that point a1, and when I call local, that is why the h is very small. We are not talking about this much neighborhood, we are talking about just a small neighborhood, and this is described by the h greater, h is less tending to 0. Fair? Similarly, if I talk about x equals to a2, what's happening here? The function is decreasing up to a2, and function is increasing after a2. So if you say mathematically f dash x is less or equal to 0 in x belongs to a2 minus h to a2, f dash x is greater or equal to 0 in x belongs to a2 to a2 plus h. So if the function is changing its nature at some point from decreasing to increasing, then that point will be called is a point of local minima for the given function f of x. Did you get my point? Everyone, did you get the thing what I wanted to convey here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the same manner, you can talk about this point as well, this point as well, this point as well. Fair? Now, if you observe, A1 is a point of local maxima. Similarly, if you take this as well some point, so this is also a point of local maxima. This is also a point of local maxima. So here, since we are discussing about A1 and A4, so what I can say here, similarly, A4 is also a point of local maxima, and out of local maximas, note down this point, out of all local maximas, the greatest maxima is called the global maxima for f of x. And similarly, we can talk about global minima as well. So what we learned here, uh, from the childhood only, what you are studying, when you say maxima minima, basically you talk about global maxima or global minima, right? So global word you people have skipped. So ultimately what you do, as you are working in some neighborhood, suppose that minus infinity to infinity, in at some points you will have the function ka maximum value. Out of that maximum, what is the greatest, that is called global maxima. Out of all local maximas, what is the minimum value, most minimum value, that will be called global minima. Am I clear to you all? So how these things are coming, derivative ka sign, again I said कि whenever we will be dealing the mean value theorems, even I will be more interested in making these more elaborative ways. But here, as far as differential equations are concerned, I am very much bound कि I should not explain that much proof kind of things, only should give you a hint here. Please note down everyone. Is that noted?
यस सर नोट हो गया.
ठीक है. One more point I would like to tell you here is, if I follow the same pattern, suppose that I apply the mean value theorem over f of x, then I got results like this. If I apply the mean value theorem over f des, then I got the second derivative के बारे में interpretation. So that interpretation you people know कि for maxima, minima, no matter you are talking about local or global, okay? The derivative must be 0 at x equals to ai. Can you make it confirm, please? If a1, a2, a3, if it want to be point of local maxima, so function should change its sign, the derivative should change its sign. So either greater or equal to 0, so less or equal to 0. So it must be 0 at that point. So that is why the necessary condition for maxima minima is the derivative is 0 at that point. Similarly, for maxima, what should be? F double dash at that point, it should be less than 0. For maxima, F double dash ai, it should be greater than 0. If you got f double dash ai as 0, then go for f triple dash ai and so on. So that is the basic theory for low maxima or minima. Fair? So thing is, why I added those lines, because the yesterday's question, what was given to you, if I am not wrong, just I'm going to give you the hint. The question was something like this, right? And you wanted to discuss कि y of x का maxima or minima at 0 something, right? So ultimately you have to check by dash 0 how it is behaving, y double dash 0 how it is behaving, by triple dash 0, और moreover by even के लिए क्या हो रहा है, and by odd के लिए let's say what's happening there. So that was the hint for that question what I left yesterday unsolved. Now you people will try that question, and if like any issue comes into the picture, I'll definitely let me know and I'll discuss over that. Today the concern was only whether you are clear about this theory or not. So ultimately what my thing is, no need to solve this differential equation, right? Aditya, did you get the point? What I said? Ultimately, what you have to discuss? Sign of derivatives, right? Am I clear to you all? In the yesterday's question, जो dy over dx given था, ultimately you had to use this only. That's it, not the solution. So please note down this hint and let's proceed for the MSQs now. हटा दो इसको.
सर राइट साइड में जो लिखा है एक बार उसको रिपीट कर देना.
What?
राइट साइड में जो लिखे हैं उसको एक बार रिपीट कर देना.
अच्छा ये वाला, that is
Yes, sir.
local or global maxima or minima. Okay, for
Yes, sir.
that you need to have the derivative at that point as 0. F dash x must be 0 at that point x equals to ai. Fair?
Yes, sir.
For maxima, the double derivative at that point ai, f double dash ai must be less than 0. For maxima, f double derivative must be greater than 0. If f double dash itself becomes 0, then we go for the triple dash or fourth derivative and so on. Fair?
Yes, sir.
So please don't bother, only like I wish to you to have to be like thinking kind of like analysis over the questions, Now I have given you the hint. Now think over those options. If anything trouble comes into the picture, do let me know. Fair? That is a way to learn the things. So let's start from the next question itself. Maxima minima that we have done. Okay, one last question from the single choice itself. The question number 23, and it was asked over the 2022 itself. The question has the different language. That is why you need my suggestion. Otherwise, it's all right. For some real number C, with C lying between 0 and 1, let phi such that 1 minus C, comma 1 plus C to 0 to infinity be a differentiable function, be a differentiable function such that phi at 1 equals 1 and bi equals phi of x is a solution of the differential equation x square plus bi square into dx minus 4x by dy equals to 0. Then which of the following is true? Option A, 3 phi of x का स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर, 3 into phi of x का स्क्वायर it is given, 3 into phi of x का स्क्वायर is given, plus x square whole square equals to 4x. The option B is as 3 into phi of x phi of x square minus x square equals 4x. You people will try that question, please. The option C is 3 into phi of x square plus x square का square equals 4 into phi of x, and the last option is 3 into phi of x square minus x square का square. So like I just put that question for key in the exam hall. Whenever you see such questions with the more language, you people felt the panic situation. So while analyzing PYQs, it's my prime duty to make you feel all the situations of the exam hall. Anyone tried? Neha, Anjali, Aditya, Hariom. Any idea what happened? चले,
सर होमोजीनियस से होगा ये?
should I do it again? Whenever you think of such questions for some real number c lying between 0 and 1, phi at 1 is 1, ultimate thing is मुझे ये दिख रहा है y of y equals phi of x is a solution of this. So to get phi of x, we need to solve given differential equation, right? The ultimate thing I got out of the question at first sight is this. Fair. So let's try. If you observe, these are the second degree terms. So obviously it is gonna be the homogeneous. So dy over dx, if goes 4xy on that side, so it will become x square plus y square divided by 4xy, right? So it is a homogeneous differential equation because that is the function form of the, किसके फॉर्म का है, 1 plus y by x का square divided by 4 into y by x. So what you do for the homogeneous, you take the substitution y equals to vx. This implies dy over dx as v plus x dv over dx. So what we have now, v plus x dv over dx equals 1 plus v square upon 4b, right? This implies x dv over dx, अब इस v को उधर ले जाएंगे, it will become 1 plus v square minus 4b square divided by 4b, right? So x dv over dx equals 1 minus 3b square over 4b. So variables are separated now. That can be written as, so I consider you guys are at the basic level of preparation. So that is why I suggest smaller things as well. While going through these steps, have patience. Don't be in hurry. Otherwise, you will land up with the wrong result. Okay? Here, be very cool. While teaching homogeneous differential equation, I told you guys that number one, simple integration may be. Number two, denominator का differentiation available in the numerator. Number three is partial fraction. Except these three things, no possibility occurs here. So if you observe second degree का term, first degree का term in the numerator, so what will happen? Can I make this in this form? So let's say I make this as minus का 3b, sorry, minus का 6b, right? Upon 1 minus 3v square, right? Into dv, and that is dx over x. So what will happen? 1 minus 3b का square, that is minus 6b is the differentiation. So it will become 4, ये क्या हो गया, 2 by 3 log of 1 minus 3b square while integrating, and this you got as log of x, let's say log of c. Fair? C is defined for 0 and 1, so log will be defined. Fair? So that will become 1 minus 3b square, right? इसका पावर माइनस 2 by 3 and that is cx. अभी हम देख लेंगे अपने पास किस में चाहिए इसको. So 1 minus 3, that is y square by x square का पावर minus 2 by 3, that is equals to cx. Fair? क्या चाहिए था उसको? 3 फाइव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, चलो वो तो माइनस कॉमन लेंगे, दैट नॉट एन इशू, एंड दैट गोज टू, अच्छा ठीक है, स्क्वायर कम्स हियर, ये कंडीशन भी गिवन है अपने को, राइट? y is 5x, so since given phi at 1 is 1, this implies y at 1 is 1. So let's say this is the form 1. So from 1 we have 1 minus 3 into 1 का power minus 2 by 3, that goes to c, so it happens to be 1 upon 2 का power 2 by 3, right? 1 minus 2, that is minus 2 का power 2 by 3 equals to c. Now you can put that here. So we have, what is the solution? X square minus 3y square divided by x square का power minus 2 by 3, c का वैल्यू you got as minus 2 का power 2 by 3 into x. अभी आप चाहें तो डिनोमिनेटर को ऊपर ले जाके इसको स्क्वायर कर देंगे, सॉरी क्यूब कर देंगे, you will get the required answer, that will be 4 x square minus 3y square माइनस में जाएगा और वहां पे बचेगा x. So this is the right choice. चले, and don't be देखेंगे if this was the subjective question, आराम से I'll be writing, okay, but it's an objective question. What I observed, अच्छा 3 into y की जगह phi of x है, so 3 into phi of x का स्क्वायर मिल रहा है, फेयर, एक्स स्क्वायर मिल रहा है, फेयर, और माइनस और प्लस के साथ में है. अब अगर इस पे माइनस इसके साथ में है तो आई विल टेक माइनस एज कॉमन, फर्स्ट थिंग, राइट? अब इसके बाद में मुझे यहाँ पर x है, व्हेन आई विल डू द क्यूब दैट्स विल बिकम माइनस 2 का पावर 4 2 स्क्वायर, सो दैट विल गिव मी 4, राइट? और ये वाला x स्क्वायर है वो इसके साथ में x मुझे दे देगा, सो 4x विल बी द आंसर. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू क्रॉस वेरीफाई यू कैन प्रोसीड फर्दर, otherwise answer is clicked. Hariom Aditya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Fair, please note down. So this PYQ I did elaborately because exam hall में इस टाइप के PYQs पैनिक करते हैं आपको, बाकी आप लोग स्मार्ट हैं. सॉरी. Is that noted? Sorry. Is that done?
Yes, sir.
Fair. Just like as we are trying to pursue the higher mathematics, So thing is, whenever some things are written, you should try, while you are preparing, you should try to get the words why something is written. Okay, so that is the way to learn the maths. So when you observe this, C is lying between 0 and 1, fair. So definitely while interpreting your things, it will have a role for sure. So whenever you are using logarithmic and you land up with log 0, that will go to minus infinity. Fair. So thing is, whatever given in the question in the mathematics, that has some role. ठीक है. कई बार हमें ऐसा लगता है आंसर मिल गया यार, इसका क्या मतलब था. Not at all. If I frame the question ना, I'll make the role of that. चले. Fair. अब इसको हटाते हैं. Let's move to the another segment of our QIP session. MSQs पे. Anjali, Neha, Hariom, everyone. So multiple choice questions. We have done all MCQs from the year 2006, right? So did you people notice what type of questions they are asking in IIT exam? And what type of extra things from calculus we need to do? What type of calculations we can have in some questions? So you people should try to write down these points in your class notes. Okay, that is the QIP ka target, so that end of the day, at the night before the exam, everything should be revised. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's move for the another segment, that is multiple select questions, means they may have more than one choice as correct. So let's write that question number 24 in sequence. The PDF I given in the group, right? The question is, consider the differential equation sin 2x into dy over dx equals 2 by plus 2 cos x, y at pi by 4 equals 1 minus root 2. Then which of the following is are correct? Option A, the solution is unbounded when x tends to 0. Option B, the solution is unbounded when x tends to pi by 2. Option C, the solution is bounded when x tends to 0. The solution is bounded when x tends to pi by 2. Can you check it out, please? Try this question, because now we have done sufficient number of questions ka practice. Try, everyone. Okay. So let me analyze this PYQs. Since the given differential equation is looking very pretty that it is gonna be of the form right. So Px equals minus 2 cosec 2x, right? So integrating factor will be what? E raised to the power minus 2 cosec 2x dx. How many of you have done the integration of cosec 2x? Huh?
log cosec x minus cot 2x होगा.
by 2.
Huh? Anyone? चलो 2x को तो t मान लोगे, ये वाला 2 चला जाएगा. आगे से याद रखेंगे, नहीं होगा e raised to the power minus log of 10x, that will give you, and that will give you 1 upon 10x, and that will give you cot x. If you people are lacking in the integrations, what I suggest you? Integrations. So such integrations are done by parts, by managing terms. Okay. So what I'll be doing is, if I am like trying to explore everything here, तो फिर ये lecture series हो जाएगा बहुत लंबा. So if you people want कि integrations के basics क्या हैं, do let me know. I will share all those basic integrations which you need to have. Fair? For the time being, just believe on me and let's proceed. Okay. So if this comes as the integrating factor, so what will be the general solution? The general solution is y of x into cot x, that gives us 2 cos x upon sin 2x is what? 2 sin x cos x into cot x dx plus c. So cos x upon sin x is cot x. So 2 got cancelled, that is cot square x into sec x dx. Now what is the integration for this? Anjali, what's the integration for that? Aditya?
So minus 1 upon sin x means the minus cosec x.
Fair. देखेंगे, I will mark a star here just to make you feel कि no matter how good you are at the mathematics, but in the exam hall you will struggle at some basic ideas, at some basic points. So integrations must be practiced just like 10 plus 2 student. Okay, my personal
Cosec
suggestion
x.
for you guys.
Minus cosec x.
Fair, no issues. So people may deal that as let's say if you do put sin x equals to t, this implies cos x dx equals to dt. So the RHS will give you 1 upon t square dt, and that is minus ka 1 upon t, right? So that will be minus ka 1 upon sin x. So you got y of x equals minus 1 upon sin x plus c. Fair? कुछ और गिवन है क्या? ठीक है. Also given y at pi by 4 equals 1 minus root 2. So you will have 1 minus root 2 equals minus 1 upon 1 by root 2 plus c. So this implies minus root 2 got cancelled, c equals 1. So solution of given IVP is, क्या मिल गया मुझे, y of x into cot x equals, कहां पे गया, माइनस का 1 upon sin x plus 1, right? Now let's observe what's happening with the options. When x tends to 0, sin 0 is 0, right? Can you tell me what's going to happen there? What are the right choices, Neha? चलिए. So y of x is what? Minus 1 upon sin x into cot x, right? Plus 1 upon cot x. यही तो बात है. ठीक. So that is cos x upon sin x. So minus का sec x plus का tan x.
B and
Is it so?
C आ रहा है.
ऑप्शंस किस पे थे? इन्फिनिटी पर या जीरो पर?
सर ऑप्शन बी एंड सी आ रहा है क्या?
ऑप्शन बी एंड सी. 5/2 पे तो इन्फिनिटीज आ रहा है. सो अच्छा, ओके. सो अंजलि said B and C. What you said, Aditya? हरिओम, अच्छा, what you told?
B and C, sir.
B and C. देखेंगे. I don't know.
B and D, sir. B and D.
B and D. कौन बोल
Yes,
रहा है?
sir.
हरिओम.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, हरिओम बोल रहे हैं B and D. चलिए, B and C are the choices. नेहा, आप किधर हो? किधर भी नहीं हो. चलिए देखेंगे बच्चे. That is why I said कि analysis of PYQs are required. I am not bothered about the answers. चलिए, for options, limit x tends to 0, y of x will be limit x tends to 0 minus sec x plus tan x, and that comes out to be 0. So x tends to 0 पर y of x is bounded, so option C is correct. Right, dear fellows? The more interesting point is limit x tends to pi by 2 minus sec x plus tan x, that is infinity minus infinity form, and that is indeterminate. समझते हैं इस चीज को सब लोग? Indeterminate means now L'Hopital rule will come into the picture. L'Hopital rule किस पर लगता है? Either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. If some form is not of these two forms, then we have to make that in this form. Hariom, did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
So abhi I have to write this expression as आप लोग इसको नोट कर लेंगे so that I have the space to write. Please note down this. क्योंकि x tends to 1, that is cos x minus 1 upon sin x. So cos x का sin x and pi by 2. Option D will come into the picture. C and D are the right choices. अभी बोलो किसका सही हुआ था?
Half हुआ. हाफ हाफ,
हाँ
दोनों लोग का हाफ हाफ हुआ।
चलो ठीक है, मैं इसको करता हूँ। इसको लिख दिया आपने?
लिख रहे हैं।
ठीक है। So when we will be studying differential calculus, that will be more interesting, because in my life calculus and analysis, like very beautiful part of my life, we'll learn that later. अभी तो L'Hopital rule पे बात कर लेते हैं बस. So limit x tends to pi by 2. अभी I have to make either this form or this form. So this will become minus का 1 plus cos x upon क्या है, sorry, -1 plus sin x upon cos x, right? Can I write like this? ठीक है. अभी if you observe sin pi by 2 is 1, so this is of the form 0 by 0 or not? So now applying the L'Hopital rule. So what will happen? It will come out as limit x tends to pi by 2, 1 का 0, sin x का cos x का minus sin x. Cos pi by 2 is what? अब बोलो. So y of x is bounded for x tends to pi by 2. So what are the right choices? Am I clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. So MSQs में please be very careful. I hope it is noted. Okay, let's take some more MSQs and let's see what happens. The next question is 25. The previous question was from 2016 and this is from 2017 year. The question is, let y of x be the solution of differential equation dy over dx equals y minus 1 into y minus 3 satisfying the condition y at 0 equals 2. Then which of the following is are true? Your options are the function y of x is not bounded above. Option B, the function y of x is bounded. Option C, limit x tends to infinity, y of x as 1, option D as limit x tends to infinity, y of x equals 3. Is it 3? Yes. Check it out, please, everyone. Anyone? What is the answer? चले, मैं करूं क्या? Clearly differential equation is very easy to solve, that is looking variable separable, so not an issue for you guys, right? Sorry, what I told you, whenever you have linear fractions, what will help you? Partial fractions. So if I write this as by 1 upon by minus 1 minus 1 upon by minus 3, so आप चाहें तो y minus 3 यहाँ कर दे, प्लस के साथ में आ जाएगा by minus 1 प्लस का 3 1 upon 2 here. So it will become, on integrating, one upon 2 log of y minus 3 x plus c. So 1 upon 2 log of y minus 3 upon y minus 1. Given क्या है अपने को? y at 0 is 2, right? So 1 by 2 log of 0, y at 0 is 2. So 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2 minus, अच्छा log of minus 1 फिर तो ये डिफाइन नहीं होगा, वैल्यू किस पे दिया है? ये तो एक्सपोनेंशियल को उधर ले जाओ. एक मिनट रुकिए, क्योंकि log में डिफाइन नहीं करेगा फिर ये वैल्यू को. So let's move this on that side. So y minus 3 upon y plus y minus 1 equals exponential of 2x plus c. Since given y at 0 is 2, so this will become minus 1 upon 1 e raised to the power 0 plus c. So this implies e raised to the power c as 1. This digit minus 1 पिक्चर में क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि अदरवाइज तो दिस विल बी रॉन्ग थिंग. अगर मैं इसको log of c डिजाइन करूंगा तो सी जस्ट वेट मैनिपुलेट, क्योंकि अदरवाइज पूरा इंटरप्रिटेशन गड़बड़ होगा. नेगेटिव में दैट विल नॉट बी डिफाइंड. So 1 upon 2, if I do that, c here, log c, if I take here, c will go on this side. So that will become c into exponential of that. Just wait a minute, we have done. क्योंकि log अगर इधर में रहेगा तो फिर happens if I take this as, इंटरप्रिटेशन नहीं गड़बड़ाना चाहिए, बस वो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. if I take this as log c 1 upon c, अगर इधर जाएगा, so that can have, नहीं, values differed, interpretation ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि नेगेटिव पे कैसे डिफाइन करेगा फिर उसको. अच्छा, इस 2 को यहाँ पे ले जा रहा है तो 2x. Just give me 1 minute please, so that I can come up with a better explanation. क्योंकि रिजल्ट मैच करके कुछ नहीं मिलता है. Let me try other way. If I write this as,
y की वैल्यू तो 2 है.
हाँ,
सॉरी.
नो दैट इज फेयर, क्योंकि जब मैं यहाँ पे c ले रहा हूँ वो अनडिफाइंड आ रहा है log के साथ में, और एक्सपोनेंशियल में जा रहा है तो भी नहीं आ रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आंसर इज ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट, बट आई वांट द बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर दैट. So abhi if I use that comes at y at 0 equals, so that will become 2 minus 1. Fair. Now we come up with the better explanation. So we have here y minus 3 upon y minus 1 equals minus sign के साथ exponential of 2x. Fair. Thing is, अगर मैं वहां पर c ले रहा था, I was like landed up with the wrong interpretation. That is why I was panicked over that situation. So I changed the things. Abhi you can follow that by removing this. I'm sorry for the disturbance. So fair. अभी हम जाते हैं. yx बाउंडेड है या नहीं है, that we need to check. x tends to infinity पर, minus infinity पर we want to check the limit. Fair. So what you can say about options now? Everyone please. Aditya, you are very silent today. What happened? Just manage these expressions. By upon by minus 1 took that. So let's give this as some equation. अभी क्या पूछा है? So y of x can be written as 1 plus 3 into e raised to power minus 2x and 1 plus e raised to the power minus 2x. So limit x tends to infinity पर y of x will be what? E raised to power minus infinity is what? 0. So you got the result as 0. दूसरा किस पर पूछा है? माइनस इन्फिनिटी पर, सो दैट द रिजल्ट e रेस टू दी पावर, अभी यहां से लिखेंगे, ठीक है. So that will be 0 plus 3 divided by 0 plus 1. That comes out as 3. Fair, Hariom? So these are two choices. And since y of x is bounded over infinity and minus infinity, baki if you take finite values, this will have always the finite value. So y of x is a bounded function as well. Any issue with the B option? Tell me. You can write in the explanation, since y of x takes finite values, क्यों? Since y of takes finite values for x tends to infinity, minus infinity, and all x non-zero real finite numbers, right? So B, C, D are the right choices. How many of you got these right choices?
सर आ गया था.
चले. Is that noted? Hariom?
Yes, sir.
Fair. So let's take one more problem. That is 26, and that is from the year 2018. The question is the solutions of the differential equation. The solutions of the differential equation dy over dx equals sine 2x into y का power 1 by 3 satisfying y at 0 is 0 is R. Option A, y of x is 0. Option B, y of x is minus 8y root 27 sine cube x. Y of x equals plus का 8/27 sine cube x, and the last option y is plus का 8/27 square root cos cube x. Check it out, please, everyone. व्हाट हैपेंस यार, इतना तो टफ नहीं था, इजी था क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल। चलिए सी dy over y का पावर 1/3 that is sin 2x dx. So on integrating this becomes y का power minus 1/3 means y का power 2/3 divided by 2/3 equals sin 2x का minus का cos 2x divided by 2 plus some integration constant c. So what you got is 2 got cancelled, 3 into y का power 2/3. Is that so? ठीक है, क्या गिवन है अपने को? Since y of x is sin 2x is cos 2x, fair. So y at 0 is 0. This implies 3 into 0 equals cos 0 is 1, right? Plus c. This implies c equals 1. So what you got, dear fellows? 3 y का power 2/3 is 1 minus cos 2x, right? So that implies 3 y का power 2/3 1 plus cos x 1 minus cos x. जब भी दिमाग में आएगा what the picture comes, either 2 cos square or 2 sin square, right? So अभी क्या मिल गया अपने को, y का पावर 2/3 equals 2/3 sin square x. So अभी क्या करेंगे, if you take the square root, पहले तो क्या करेंगे, इसके लिए अपन क्यूब करेंगे, राइट? सो ऑन डूइंग द क्यूब व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस विल बिकम 2 का क्यूब 3 का क्यूब एंड दैट विल बिकम साइन 6x. अभी क्या करेंगे, ऑन टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट, सो बाई 8/27 का स्क्वायर रूट एंड ऑब्वियसली स्क्वायर रूट विल कम विद द प्लस माइनस साइन, और साइन 6x का स्क्वायर रूट दैट विल बिकम साइन क्यूब x. सो प्लस माइनस के साथ में b एंड c आर द राइट चॉइसेस. एनी अदर ऑप्शन? b c आर द राइट ऑप्शन, राइट? हरिओम, बोलो भाई.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. चलिए, since y of x equals to 0 satisfies given differential equation as well as initial condition, so y of x equals to 0 is also a solution of given IVP. So option A is also the correct choice. Hariom, did you get the mistake?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. So since the differential equation is looking like this, homogeneous, so obviously by x equals to 0 ko you cannot ignore, because condition is also given as by at 0 equals 0. So that makes sure ki by x equals to 0 satisfies the initial value problem. So option A is also correct. that done? Chale, 2 more MSQs we have, and after that we'll take a relief. Yes, we have analyzed the PYQs from SCQs and MSQs as well, because numerical aptitude is moreover like based on the single choice wala. Chale, let's take one more question, that is question number 27, and that comes from the 2022 itself. Question is, that's a good question in fact. Let minus c comma c be the largest open interval in R, be the largest open interval in R where c is either positive real number or where c is either a positive real number or c is infinity, on which the solution y of x of the differential equation dy over dx equals x square plus y square plus 1 with the initial condition y at 0 equals 0 exists and is unique. Fair. Then which of the following is are true? Chale. Options are a bit interesting in this. Option A, y of x is an odd function on minus c comma c. Y of x is an even function on minus c comma c. Y of x का square has a local minimum at 0. Y of x का square has a local maximum at 0. So from here itself we started today's lecture, right? So now you can try to get the idea how they are questions, like they're asking questions. Do it please. Try at least. Any idea? Anyone? चलिए, let me do this. So I would like to tell you an exam point here, which is easy to understand but necessary to remember. Okay. चलिए. So that you can call the relation between derivative, sorry, ऐसे मान लो, solution of a differential equation and the function representing its derivative with initial condition. So point is, the theoretical part we will be dealing in the differential calculus when we will be studying about MBTs. Okay, I'm sorry here because you people may feel कि सर आपको यही पढ़ा देना चाहिए, but that is not so. ठीक है? Thing is, all these increasing, decreasing, monotonic nature of the functions, those are the part of our calculus part. We will be dealing that in detail here. For the time being, just I'm saying for the time being, you just remember this thing कि let's say if you have a differential equation y dash equals to y of f of x by with y at 0 equals 0, the condition is given, and if, is it visible? Yes, f of x by is an even function, then यहीं पर लिख दो, then y of x is an odd function. Okay, so for the time being, actually I'm not in the not a teacher like this, never says to rattam or something, but as we are in the starting phase, so somewhere I have to compromise. Chale, so option A is correct. क्यों? Because our f of x by is equal to x square plus y square is an even function, right? So y of x will be an odd function, right? For next, what they have asked? They have asked y of x ka square, right? So let if f of x is, that will be easy to tackle, ठीक है? Then to discuss about local maxima और मिनिमा, अभी अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा है? f डैश x लेस और इक्वल टू 0, मतलब f डैश x अपना एक तो 0 पुट करेगा, किस पॉइंट पर चेक करना है? एट 0 पर, राइट? एट 0. So f dash 0 must be 0, first point. F double dash 0, if it want to be maxima or minima, we will have to check the sign less than 0, greater than 0, right? So अभी अपने को ये वैल्यूज मिलेंगे कहां से? f dash and all. So देखेंगे, since f of x अपने ने क्या लिया हुआ है? So f dash x will be what? 2y of x, and y of x will be what? Y dash, right? So this will be 2 y of x as it is, and in case of y dash, what is y dash, dear fellows? Tell me. X square plus y square plus 1. Is that clear or not? So if you want to know what is f dash 0, क्या मिलेगा आपको? 2 into y at 0, 0 plus y at 0 plus 1, right? So f dash 0 अपने लिए क्या मिल जाएगा? 0, because y at 0 equals 0 is given to you. नाउ अब क्या करना होगा? सिमिलरली यू कैन कैलकुलेट f double dash. Please check it out. And while you will be checking f double dash का sign, then you can tell कि either that is a point of minima or maxima. Please check it out. f double dash find करेंगे और f double dash का sign बताएंगे मुझे. टू एक्स प्लस दैट. मिला कुछ क्या? अरे भाई, इफ यू आर डूइंग द एफ डबल डैश, डेफिनेटली कोई नेगेटिव साइन तो है नहीं, सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज गोना बी पॉजिटिव यार. चेक इट आउट. Because this expression does not contain any of the negative sign, so f double dash 0 will definitely be positive. That value we don't have, like, no need, because I only want to check the sign. So if f double dash is greater than 0, then point will be local minima or maxima. So A and C are the right choices. That's it. Please note down. So this was a good question. In fact, some calculus we have used here. This we will do in the differential calculus. For the time being, just note down. Is that noted? Is that done?
Yes, sir.
So one more final question from the MSQ we have. So the question number 27, we have done that. 27 तक तो हो गया ना, MSQs are done. That is the final. ठीक है. 23 वाला क्वेश्चन अभी I don't have, that we will discuss later, क्योंकि मेरे PDF में अभी वो है नहीं. ठीक है. अभी सुन लीजिए आप लोग काम की बात. Subjective questions they don't ask now. So let's take a numerical type of question, just to give you the hint. Actually, in the IIT exam, what is the pattern, dear fellows? Single choice, multiple selection, and numerical aptitude test, right? NAT section. So 3 types of questions are asked in this IIT exam mainly. So I just take a question from NAT section just to make you feel कि इसका जो level होगा, the level of questions will be somewhere over the single choice type. Okay, So let's take a question for that. And that is from the year 2018 itself, क्योंकि नेट सेक्शन तो बाद में जुड़ा है, पहले नेट नहीं होता था, सब्जेक्टिव होता था. If xt is the solution of the differential equation dx over dt equals x square t cube plus xt for t greater than 0, satisfying x at 0 equals 1, then the value of x at root 2 is fill in the blank. Correct up to 2 decimal places. Correct up to 2 decimal places. So first at least get the solution of IVP that you people can do. Try it fast, please. सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करेंगे आप लोग जल्दी से इसका. Done. चले, let me try this. dx over dt minus xt equals x square t cube. If I take this x square here, because while watching the differential equations, my mind is always free, right? Like what? If you observe, अच्छा dx over dt पे चाहिए तो यहाँ से कर देते हैं 1/x, ठीक है. इसको t पे करते तो ज्यादा बेटर होता, ठीक है. If I take 1/x as some y, so minus 1/x square dx upon dt can be dy over dt. So we have minus का dy over dt, right? Minus 1/x you have taken as y and that is t cube, ठीक है. अभी वापस से वही फॉर्म बन जाएगा. सो अगर हम dt अपॉन dx करते तो बेटर फॉर्म मिल सकता था. नो इश्यूज, वी आर लर्निंग हियर. सो अभी अपॉन में t स्क्वायर कर देंगे. सो ठीक है. सो व्हाट इट इज माइनस dy over dt, that is minus. Is that clear or not? ठीक है. So dy over dt plus ty equals to minus t cube. What is the integrating factor? y के लिए फिर ये होगा e raised to the power t, e raised to the power integration t dt. So that is t square by 2. So what will be the general solution? Y of t into integrating factor, right? T cube into e raised to the power t square by 2 into dt plus c, right? अभी क्या करेंगे? integrations, right? Please my personal suggestion for you guys is this mistake I did during my college days. I was always in the habit of कि यार integration तो हो जाएगा, ये तो हो जाएगा. But when I went for the IIT exam, I decided कि नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं होता है. I have to get the up to the final answer, then only I can click the right option. So you people had observed this thing in like while solving questions. I am always concerned whenever the integration comes into the picture. So can you tell me what will the integration for here? Everyone please try. Obviously आप t स्क्वायर को कुछ नया वेरिएबल अब देंगे तो वहां से कर दीजिए, बट अल्टीमेट आंसर बता दीजिए मुझे. Are you able to do that? Anyone? Anjali, Neha? Y is 1 upon x, yes, fair. अरे रिप्लाई भाई, एनीवन?
Sir, the power t square by 2 into t square by 2 minus 1.
ठीक है. So अभी फाइनल वापस से सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. व्हाट द फाइनल यू आर गेटिंग? कैन यू टेल मी दैट? व्हाट इज द फाइनल वर्जन यू आर गेटिंग एज? So if I'm writing that 1 upon y exponential में क्या है? That is e raised to the power x square by 2. So that will give me the t, the minus sign. एक बार मैं लिख रहा हूँ, आप लोग क्रॉस चेक मार देंगे उसको क्योंकि टाइम भी हो रहा है. Something like that they are getting. What is the value given? So x at y, right? X का value is 1. So x का 1, that will give the 0. So y को यहाँ पे भेज देंगे. Y is 0. So this will become 0. X is 1. So c का value अपने को क्या मिल जाएगा? We will be getting c as 1 or minus 1. That will become c as minus 1. So what is the solution? 1 upon y e raised to the power x square y into square by 2 equals, किस पर पूछा है वैल्यू? x at root 2, right? So x at root 2 you will have x at root 2 पे कैसे आ गया? y at root 2 चाहिए होगा तो x in terms of y. क्वेश्चन एक बार चेक कर लेंगे. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? वैल्यू किस पर पूछा है?
Sir,
अच्छा t के फंक्शन में है ना. सो 1 अपॉन y तो अपने को x होगा. अरे यार जस्ट वेट अ मिनट, टाइम क्या हुआ है? व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज हमने यहाँ पे इसका रिप्लेसमेंट थोड़ा सा गलत कर दिया. मतलब इसको रिप्लेस करने में वेरिएबल डिस्टर्ब कर दिया है. मैं y एंड x में लेके चला गया. So what I am doing is, as we have the next session as well for UPSC, so just give me time, you people try this question as well, and the final answer I'll discuss in next class. ठीक है, और the answer I will share in group as well. Okay, क्योंकि अभी अपने को सेशन एंड करना होगा. I have the next session. Fair? Just the variables का misinterpretation I had done. So don't now note down this question. You will try your version and get the value of x at root 2. ठीक है, हटा दूं इसको. यहाँ पे टी स्क्वायर चलना चाहिए था, वो मैंने गलत कर दिया. यहाँ से टी नहीं, वो एक्स. ठीक है, सॉरी फॉर द डिस्टर्बेंस. Abhi I could edit that, but due to the lack of time, I'm not doing that. Thing is, you have next 2 days. Listen the information. Next 2 days, I have already provided the QIP PDF in the group. सबके पास है?
Yes sir, है.
तो क्या
Yes,
करना
sir.
है अगले 2 दिन में? वो नेट सेक्शन वाले जो क्वेश्चन 5 और हैं, शायद 45 क्वेश्चंस तक है उसमें. So 5 more questions are there. Please do solve all those NAT section questions. ठीक है? So complete this task by the next Sunday. When we'll meet on Monday, we'll start something else. ठीक है? First thing, there are in that PDF subjective questions are also there, because before the changing the pattern of IIT exam, there were the subjective plus objective. So I have added those PYQs as well. If you people are interested enough and you have time, then you can try those questions as well in the next 2 days. ठीक है? But I have tried to touch every nerve of the chapter 1. Fair?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
अभी किसी का कोई डाउट होगा इस चैप्टर में तो आप लोग कह सकते हैं. मैंने मेरे हिसाब से जो एक पढ़ने का तरीका होना चाहिए, आई हैव ट्राइड माय बेस्ट. conceptual clarity, then problem solving techniques, then the PYQs का analysis. Also you people are suggested, कल 2 दिन में आप क्या करेंगे, all 3 sessions का PYQs का analysis. प्लीज राइट डाउन बुलेट पॉइंट्स की आपने क्वेश्चंस में से क्या सीखा, कहां पे आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है और कहां पे आपकी वीकनेस है. सब लोगों के नोट्स पर उस चैप्टर का लास्ट पेज ये टेबल जरूर बनानी है, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे होता क्या है पता है, जो आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है आप उसी को रिवाइज करते रहते हैं, कई बार अननेसेसरी टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं. So please note down your strengths and weaknesses, because this will be very much individual, and please work regularly over that. This is the right way to learn the process. बाकी मुझे ज्यादा ज्ञान आता नहीं है, ठीक है. So whatever is, this is what. ठीक है, अभी क्लास को एंड कर सकते हैं अपन.
Yes, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, everyone. अच्छा, tomorrow you people have the flexibility. If you want to talk to some of your senior who is doing the PhD, his like through this IIT Delhi itself. So if you want to talk to that guy कि कैसे मुझे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, कोई सजेशन आपको चाहिए, कैसे उन्होंने IIT एग्जाम किया था, तो कल का दिन मैंने उसके लिए रखा था. So you can leave a message over the WhatsApp or in the group कि सर मुझे बात करनी है उन सर से. तो ही इज माई स्टूडेंट, currently pursuing PhD in Belgium and a master's from IIT Delhi itself. So if you want to talk to that person, do let me know. I will let you connect by tomorrow. Fair?
Sure, sir.
Okay बच्चे, good night everyone.
Good night, sir.
Good night everyone.
Good night, sir.